station. It's anything but paradise. Victoria says, locked up. Catch it again.
It was really nice of you to take us to the Funky Crown, Mama Cosma.
Well, it is Dairy World's most famous restaurant. Only the finest for my little Cosmo.
And it was really nice of you to invite Timmy and Wanda. Hi, Timmy and Wanda.
You have to come to Fairy World to have lunch with Cosmo's mom.
You know what a mama's boy Cosmo is.
The only time she ever includes us is when it involves some cancer punch.
Ding ding.